Good morning, class. We are studying lesson 6 of science, that is rocks and minerals. In this chapter, we are on the topic types of rocks. Under types of rock, we have studied that there are three types of rocks found on the earth: igneous rock, sedimentary rock and metamorphic rock. We have already studied about igneous rock and sedimentary rocks, how they are formed and what are the different types of igneous rock and sedimentary rock. Today we will study about metamorphic rock, how it is formed and what are the different types of the metamorphic rock. So let's study about metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock is the result of transformation of an existing rock in a process called metamorphism, which means change in form. What does it mean? It means the rock which is already present on the earth, if it starts changing due to certain reasons, it converted into a third type of rock, that is called metamorphic rock. So you all know that what type of rock are already present before metamorphic rock, that is sedimentary rock. Mostly the rock which converted into metamorphic rock are igneous rock or sedimentary rock. So due to certain pressures, due to the release of heat in them, it converted into metamorphic rock. And the process of conversion, the process of transformation means change. The process of change in the form of sedimentary or igneous rock into metamorphic rock is called metamorphism, which means change in the form. Okay, now most metamorphic rocks were once either igneous rock or sedimentary rock. I told you that either it was the now which is converting into metamorphic rock was either igneous rock or sedimentary rock previously, and why it converted into metamorphic rock, why igneous rock or sedimentary rock, or how it converted into metamorphic rock, because of the tons and tons of pressure. When the lots of pressure on igneous rock or sedimentary rock, it leads to release of heat, pressure which favors heat buildup. Due to the tons and tons of pressure, the heat is releasing between igneous rock and sedimentary rock, and it starts changing into metamorphic rock. So it starts change them to metamorphic rocks. Understood? Now types of metamorphic rock. Basically there are four types of metamorphic rock, that is marble, slate, gneiss and quartzite. So let's start reading and understanding how these are formed. You should remember that all these are metamorphic rocks, so either they will be once igneous rock or sedimentary rock and they converted and made from igneous rock or sedimentary rock. So marble is widely used metamorphic rock. It is found in different colors. It is used to make statues, floors and slab. Marble, you all are familiar with this term. It is white in color, which is very common, as well as it came into several colors. It is a kind of metamorphic rock. Marble was once converted from limestone. Marble was formed from limestone, and limestone is a kind of, that is a kind of sedimentary rock. It is found in different colors. I already told you. It is used to make statues, that is murti. Floors, we used to put marble on the floors, and to make slabs. So these are the uses of marble. And marble is a kind of metamorphic rock which is formed from the sedimentary rock named limestone. Now second is slate. It is formed from shale, a sedimentary rock. Shale is a sedimentary rock, and when the shale get converted, it form a metamorphic rock named slate. Both shale and slate breaks into thin layers, means they are very thin in structure, so it can easily be break. It is used to make slates and blackboards. Slate is used to make slates, which is used for writing purpose, and blackboards, which is used in the classrooms. So it is used to make slates and blackboards. These are the uses of slate. Now gneiss. It is formed from granite. Granite is a kind of igneous rock. So gneiss is formed from granite. It has light and dark bands. When you look gneiss, the diagram is given in your book. So a light and dark band is there on that rock. It is used in construction purpose. To construct something, to build something, we use gneiss kind of rock. Quartzite. Quartzite was formed from sandstone. Sandstone, you know, it is a kind of sedimentary rock. It is very hard rock. And it is used making glass and jewelries. So we use quartzite to make glass, that is shisha, and jewelries, ornaments. So quartzite is also a kind of metamorphic rock which is formed from sandstone, and sandstone is a kind of sedimentary rock. So I hope you understand how the metamorphic rock is formed and what are the different types of metamorphic rocks where it is used. Now students, I gave you one homework yesterday in which you have to do that homework you have to do in your book. Let's check what you have done. So filling the blanks, this you have to do in your book only. Rocks are made up of, two options are given, soil and minerals. This you have studied in the very first sentence. Rocks are made up of minerals. When hot molten rock flows out to the earth's surface, it is called magma or lava. So when it comes out on the earth's surface, it is called lava. And when the hot molten rocks are inside the earth's surface, it will be called magma. So here we will take lava over there. So correct answer is lava. About 95% of the earth crust is made of sedimentary rock or igneous rock. 95% of the earth base is made up of igneous rock. So we will fill over here igneous rock. Shale and sandstone are example of sedimentary rock. Metamorphic and sedimentary, two options are given. We will take sedimentary rocks. Now marble is formed from shale or limestone. Marble is formed from limestone. So we will take limestone over here. Okay. Now this all of you have done, I hope. Those who have not done, just do in your book. Now I've prepared one worksheet for you. This you have to do either in your rough copy or in your fair copy. I'll post the pic of this worksheet. This worksheet is just to check your knowledge, that what you have studied till now you have to done on the basis of your previous knowledge. Thank you.